Good morning, Year 9. This is a video to help you with the homework that you've been set this week, and I've given you an extended writing task to do. So this is a bit of practice in answering long answer questions, and it's focusing on the factors that affect the stopping distance of a car. Now, if you consider the diagram here, you've got a car and the car comes to a standstill at this point here. Now, when you need to press your brakes, first of all you need a bit of time for your brain to react to the situation, and the distance you travel during the time it takes for your brain to react is called the thinking distance. And then when you get to this point here, this is when you apply your foot on the brake pedal in the car, and you will travel a further distance, which is called the braking distance. So when you realize that you need to brake, you travel a little bit of a distance called the thinking distance, and that's how far you travel while your brain reacts to the situation. And then when you press the brake pedal, you will travel a further distance called the braking distance, and that total distance is what we call the stopping distance. So we can put that together in a formula. The stopping distance equals the thinking distance plus the braking distance, and so that's what you need to consider when you're answering the first part of the question. Now, moving on to the second part of the question, what factors affect the braking distance? Well, this is all about the quality of your brakes and the road conditions and so on. So you could talk about the brakes here, are they in good quality, and also the state of the road. If the road is icy, then it's going to take you longer to brake. If the road is wet, it's going to take you longer to brake, but if the road is dry, it won't take you so long to brake. Okay, and in terms of the thinking distance, this is all about how long it takes your brain to react and then to press the brake pedal. So factors that affect that are fatigue. If you're tired, it's going to take you longer to react to the situation. Alcohol, if a driver has been drinking, no matter what amount, they will take longer to react to the situation. And also distractions. So for example, is the driver looking at their mobile phone? Is the driver distracted by somebody else in the car, or they're looking at something outside? So all of these factors would contribute to increasing the thinking distance. So that's what you need to talk about when you are answering these 2 points here. And then the final point is your opinion on speed limits. In a built-up area in your village, the speed limit is 30 miles an hour. Do you think that should be higher? Do you think it should be lower? And on motorways, the speed limit is 70 miles an hour. Do you think that should be higher or lower, and what reasons do you have for that? So hopefully that will be useful. This video will be useful in helping you to answer this extended writing task, and if you have any questions, then do contact me via Teams. Thank you, Year 9. And also what you can see now are the actual thinking distances